Happy 4th of July and happy Canada Day if you're watching this from our neighbors to the north. I'm Michael Thibault, RMS Director of New Member Services, wishing you a happy Independence Month. I'm actually shooting this video right on the 4th, and I hope you had a chance to spend some time with your family and friends, maybe barbecuing, getting out on the water, going camping, or maybe just watching some fireworks. I'm going to actually leave my hat on, even though I feel like Apollo Creed in the second Rocky movie, but it does help me get my first marketing point across. When you have a major holiday that falls on a specific day of the month, turn it into a month-long celebration at your restaurant. Celebrate the birthday of our country all month long, just not on the 4th. You get a lot more bang for your marketing dollars if you turn a one-day promo into a month-long promo. And it's a good use of slipstream marketing. That's what's already on the mind of your customers. For July, you could run patriotic food specials all month long, maybe even have a trivia contest about the history of our country with your guests. There's a ton of ideas to help you promote your restaurant. Just got to get creative. Remember, don't be boring. Also, did you read the article in this month's newsletter that Rory wrote on celebrating your anniversary at your restaurant every year? You should all be doing that promotion for an entire month. A little secret, your guests don't know when your real anniversary date is when you open your restaurant, so I would pick like the slowest month of the year and make that your anniversary month. I'd make a huge deal out of it. Throw a bunch of parties, invite special guests from your local community, do something with a charity, get other businesses involved. This should be a major promotion for your restaurant. Send out press releases, put it in your newsletter, email blasts, really do it up. And as the summer winds down, you should also be thinking slipstream and what's on the mind of your guests. I remember when I had my restaurants, September can be a little slow. So we would pump up business with back-to-school promotions and market our carry-out business. As the kids go back to school, families need an easy solution to getting dinner, and they don't necessarily want to go out to eat, so I would help them solve their problem with easy carry-outs from my restaurant. If you pay attention to the details and really market your carry-out business, you'll see the return from your customers. So there you go, 3 quick $1,000 an hour marketing ideas in 3 minutes. Don't forget, you slipstream marketing your promotional ideas, make them month-long promotions, and please don't forget to celebrate the birthday of your restaurant. Have fun and happy Independence Month.